Hi everybody, my name is Michelle from Knitaway. I'm just going to show you in this tutorial with the new 3-in-1 Pom Pom Maker, and in this section I'm going to show you how to make some bows. A single, double, triple and even 2 bows together. So here goes. Right, I've put one dowel in the first hole, the second one in the 8th hole. So this is going to measure a 7-inch bow. So what I'm going to do a single bow to start with. So all we do is, I've got about 34 inches here. So it's quite thick as well, long. So the bottom one here, the one underneath, is going to be the required length. So just keep pulling it till you get to the required length. This then is going to go underneath. So keep it on the dowel there, pull it through, pull it over. So push it under. Like that, and then pull it over. Oops, just put it back on. Pull it over, and then what you're going to do, you're going to pull it tight, and you're going to tie a tight knot. There we go, as easy as that. So then what we're going to do is we're going to pull it off the dowel and then turn it around. So then you've got your bow, which is really neat. And then just mess about with it a bit, and then just fluff it up, because this has got wiring as well, so I can bend this as much as I want to bend it, and that one as well at the top there. And then here, just bend it as much as you want to bend it, or it depends if you've got wiring. I've got wiring, so it's allowing me to bend. Then what you need to do is, I would just cut it like that, just to give it a little bit more of a nice look, finished for a parcel or something, or going to go onto something. But how lovely does that single bow look? Right, we're going to do a double bow now. So I've got one dowel in number 1 hole, and then the second one in the 5th hole. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 inch, but we're going to do a double. So all you need to do is the same again. So put that, remember this one underneath is going to be the required length. So pull it to the required length, all right? So we've wrapped it round once, we're going to wrap it round again for a double one, okay? And then it comes over. So then just do the same as the single, just push it underneath, like that. Push it underneath, pull it, and then what we're going to do is we're going to tie it. So tie a tight knot. Right, pull it off and turn it round, and then all we're going to do now is just play with it. So then you're just pulling them 2 out like that. There we go. Pull it out, push that down, and then this has got wire, like I say, so you can just even mess about even more. So you can see that you've got a double bow there. Right, let's just trim it. So pull that over there like that. So double, pull it out, and we've got a double bow. So let me trim it, just give it that nice finish. And then that one. So again, lovely, lovely double bow. What we're going to do now is we're going to do 2 different bows together. All right. So we've got the first one in number 1, the second one in number 6. I'm then going to put these in hole number 3 in that side and hole number 3 in that side. So what I'm going to do is just set it up again as though you're doing a single bow. Again, just remember that, put it to the required length. And then what you're going to do, I've got some thin organza type ribbon. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap that round there, and I'm just going to set it the same, okay, so to the required length. So grab them 2 together, and then what I'm going to do is we're going to push them together underneath, so right in the middle of the 2 dowels. So push them through, just keep pushing them, there you go, there we go. So push them through like that, and then just pull it to the front again. And then all we're going to do is we're going to tie a knot again. So just tie your knot. There we go. they did it. And then just pull them off. Okay, and then just turn it round, and then all we're going to do is you've just got to play with it a little bit, so that bring them two down there like that, and then these here, can you see the organza, just pull it out a little bit and then just play with it however big you want it, so that you've got a little bit. You see, really when you're doing two bows together you just want one bigger than the other, so it looks really effective. So just keep pulling it like that. So you've got your two, pull that underneath, pull that there like that, just keep pulling it. You just play with it, to be fair, just as neat, how neat you want to get it. And then all we're going to do is, we're just going to cut it. That one's short enough, so we'll cut them both. I think I'll have that one a little bit longer. So that's that one. So then we'll just get this one and cut this one. So I'll cut that one, and then I'm going to cut this one a little bit longer just to make it look effective. And then what you do, just pull it, just move that away, and then just keep playing with it. That's all you need to do is, and just pull that down, pull that one down. So you've got your gold there, you've got your organza. It just looks effective sometimes. Probably red and gold and silver and gold, and then so just pull it round like that. Right, we're going to do a triple bow now. So I've got about 48 inches here of ribbon, thin ribbon, and what we're going to do is the same again. Just pull it to the required length, keep pulling till we've got it to where we want it to be, about there. So instead of twice, it's going around 3 times now. So that's 2, that's 3, okay. So then again, it just goes underneath, pull it under. There we go, just pull it under easily. There we go, again, just tie your knot. So just tie your knot again, pull it tight, not too tight, but just nice so that you're gonna mess with it. So slide them off the dowels, okay. There we go. Turn it around, because your bow's always nicer on the other side. And then what we're going to do, just spread them out. So you've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just pull them out like that so you can see them properly. Okay, so you've got 3 there. So again, you can trim it so you can see. There you go. You've now got a triple bow. Play with it, but that's beautiful.